Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a cut crease video using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm just gonna do like a cut crease, just like a neutral cut crease. For those of you who want to see how I do my cut crease, I did my brows off camera just to save some time. But yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I like using concealer better than eye primer. Switch this around. I love doing cut creases. I just haven't done it in a while because I've been like extremely more into just doing like fast looks just to get in and out of the house. So I'm gonna go in with like a fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in with burnt orange. I've like hit pan on this color already. And here in the Modern Renaissance palette, I really need to buy like the single shade. And since we're doing a cut crease, kind of bring it out here. I also don't like setting my concealer because I like the color to be more vibrant. So if you're not setting concealer, if you're not going to conceal, if you don't set your concealer or eye primer with like translucent powder, make sure like what I'm doing right here, I'm kind of just like setting the shadow where I want it to be like more vibrant or like more darker. I'm just setting it like that first before I blend it out, just so like the color stays. This eye may look more different than this one because I had my eyebrow pierced and you could kind of like see the scar right there, so like not a lot of like pigment catches onto the scar, but I'm gonna try to make it work. I'm gonna go in with the color Sienna. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm just gonna like go kind of like deep into the crease.
Feels like we're on the edge right now. I wish that I could say I'm gonna extend it out.
And then go ahead and go back with the brush that you used for burnt orange and just blend it out. Then you can get like a small little pencil brush or a little small blending brush and go in with mulberry, and you're gonna put it right where you put Sienna. So for the cut crease, oh, I'm so scared because I hope I don't fuck up. I use a nice flat brush and I use my concealer from Tarte. And I like to lightly dab it first, like right here in this area, like that, and then I just grab whatever's down here. And I hope you guys can see it because I think I might just use my mirror. Let me move the mirror like that. And then I'm gonna start from here because of my scar. My scar kind of just gets in the way. And flick it. Flick it like eyeliner. And then just go like that. I know it's so bad, but I'm sorry. Ugh. Go onto the inner corner and just kind of like follow your lid space and try to meet up with that one, that little line that you have right there. See, like that. I'm gonna grab some more concealer that I have at the bottom. You always want to go a little bit more above your crease, because if you blink or like you look up, it's gonna, what's called, transfer. You don't want that. Do this too so you can try out your concealer. Go in with your dry beauty blender and just dab it. There's that side. Now before like you can do the other side, we're gonna go back in with mulberry. Little brush look like that, a little small. And we're gonna go back in with that darker shade, the last darker, the third shade we'd use, the mulberry shade. And you're just gonna define the crease like right up there. Here. Be careful not to touch your concealer because it might still be wet. Like that. You might not see a difference on camera, but in person you see it. I don't like it being neutral. I just think it's boring. But if you like it like that, set it with a translucent powder or like a white shade, anything. But I'm gonna go in with some glitter. I'm gonna go with something that's super fast and super simple, and it's these Stila, what are they called again? Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I really like this one. This one's in Kitten Karma. It looks like this. And you're just gonna fill her in. There you have that side. I'm gonna go and do the other side now.
Feels like we're on the edge right now. I wish that I could say I'm proud. I'm sorry.
There we go. I'm gonna do my face, liner, lashes right now, and I'll see you guys in a bit. And this is the finished look. Super, super cute. Extremely cute. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Go ahead and like and subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. All my other like social medias down below. I'll also post the products down below, what I use on my face and on my lips. And yeah, thank you guys so much for coming to my tutorial. Let me give you like a closer look.